Okay, this is a very quick introduction video for the UniFi Access. I have on my hand a MiFi 2 card. Okay, so this is the Access card. Right, so what we have here is the UA Pro. Alright, so this is the UA Pro for the reader. Now, if you were to come and take a closer look, okay, we have actually enabled two ways to trigger the door. One, which actually by the MiFi card, that will open up the EMI lock. Okay, the other will be by pin. Okay, so all you have to do is just press. Okay, it'll come out a random number. Of course, you already pre-know your 8 numbers. In order to go in, you must depress the correct numbers in order for the EMI lock to unlock. Okay, so right now, in a case of if somebody comes as a visitor, okay, and it swings the doorbell, okay, what's going to happen is my app is going to call. Okay, all right, it's calling, and I'll answer. Okay, I'll answer, and then I can see myself. All right, so over here you can see that we are very near, so there will be echo. All right, so what we can do is here reduce. Let me reduce my volume. Okay, the camera is actually capturing me, as you can see here. Okay, you can see from my phone. Right, so we're capturing ourselves. This is a camera woman. Okay, so we can talk, we can communicate, and I can hear myself and then ask, who are you? Right, if I want to, I can then depress this button to unlock the EMI lock. See, and I can then have access. It's just simple. So you can have unlocking of the door via the app. Alright, so there's actually indirectly 3 ways to unlock your EMI lock. One is by PIN number, second is by the card, or third is by the app. Alright, so let's take a look at the hub that is controlling this. Come on in, okay? Right, so over here, we have the hub, okay? So this is the hub that's actually controlling the whole process, okay? Alright, so we have the connection that goes all the way back to the main switch, okay, which is a UDM Pro. You will definitely need a UDM Pro to control everything, okay? And this is the UA-Lite. This is the one that opens the door by touch, okay, one way. Alright, another way is by waving the card on the reader and it opens the door. Okay, so right now, let me show it to you. So right now the door is locked. So there's 2 ways to open. One is by tapping here and it opens the door. Okay, so I'm going to close it now. Another way is by flashing the card and it reads. Okay, so there are 2 ways to control. You can control it by card. Okay, one way is by having the card, you will know and force the person to use the card to open the door, and you will know who's holding the card opens the door. Okay, if you don't need any control on who is entering and exiting the door, you can just use the wave, the touch. Right, so over here I've also attached an additional light, okay, so it can also open the door. Okay, so this can also open the door, but it's attached to the holes where you can actually attach another UniFi Protect camera. Alright, so this is a very quick and short review on the UniFi Access system. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you very much.